coders, welcome back to Code with Saransh. If you understand how operating systems, game engines, or even after programming language like Python are built, it, that I have uploaded a video on conditions. Yeah. Also, how from which it is built from. They all built from the C programming language. This language created back in 70s. It's still one of the most popular and important language you can learn. In this video, we will cover the C, why it is still essential in 2025. If and first write write a very first C programming. Let's get started in a video. So Oh, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I am Saransh and today will cover the topic Introduction to C Programming Language. C is a compile and meaning to a code. It is translated directly into the machine code. The learn the computer hardware understands this C make incredibly fast. The foundation of C is famous and the building the UNIX operating system today the major part of Windows, Linux and even the core of the Python and PHP and written of C. If it's need to be faster, it likely using a C. Close to hardware, C's got directory access to memory management and hardware, which is why the king of embedded system drivers and the game development. It teaches how the computer actually works. Think C is the powerful engine under the hood of every machine. So, let's open our VS Code, and if you want the tutorial to VS Code, or the link is in the description. A tutorial to how to download VS Code. So let's open our VS Code. Let's start our CS50. It takes some time. Don't wait. Not. Worry not. And code and the Saransh is here. So, to opening the C file in the CS50, you have to write code and that's hello. Code hello.py. No. .py is for Python and .c is for C programming language. Okay. So here's our code. So first we will understand about the header. Include studio.h. Include studio.h is a library. Include studio.h is a library. The first example you have already seen is include studio.h. Enter. And if you want to make like a math program, like two numbers and you will get their division, multiplication, minus, plus, as everything. If you just enter the two number and you will get the division, root, blah blah blah, etc. So the library is include put math.h. And if you want like using a string method, you have heard before the string method or anything else related to string, you will use the library which are be using the webs GitHub made this website, and it is launches in CS40. The one and on the library is include cs50.h. Oh, what the hell? Why my include is not growing to the purple? I think there's some error. See, in I type the Q and you have to write all the spellings correctly, no mistakes are tolerated. So let's run our now int. Int is normally used as a number. Int like you integers and you main. Main is a section that you uses for the functions like printf, scanf, etc. and void. Void is a heading. You can write even anything like int main and generate int main multiply, but it is used for a second function, like we made function in Python def multiply after the def main. So in the C, instead of def main, we uses int main void. So now here's our code begin. This is only the heading. Now in Python we use print, in C we use printf. Now bracket, colon, hello world, or hello my hello coders. So let's run it. In Python we normally write it like Python hello.py and it run automatically. But in C there's a different matter. First in C we have to compile it. There's for checking the no, there's nothing error. So make hello. So make hello is a compiling and it make its exe file, so it can run smoothly. Enter. Oh, there's a bug and an error that in the every end of the C code we have to write semicolon. It is not Python that you have to not write have to semicolon of every end of the line of the code. You have to write semicolon. Now let's clear it. Hiding my error. Okay, now compile it. Make hello. Voila! We have no error. We have completed the first stage of running the C program. Now for actually running, it's compiled. Now we have to run. First we have to write dot, then slash, not backslash, it is only slash, and hello, and congratulations, you have run your C programming language. Now here's the everything start. And congratulations, you have just wrote and ran your very first C program. And have you taken your first step into the world of powerful low level coding? C. And might it seem like a little complex, more than Python or JavaScript, but at the concept you have learned, like complementation, data types, memory management, and will make you better programmer in any language. If you find helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to Code with Saransh to get more educational videos like this. And if you are ready to your next C lesson and on data science, happy coding, and we will catch you next time. Till then, keep coding, keep learning.